In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Wix Payments account. If you've been exploring ways to streamline payment processes on your site, then you're in the right place. Setting up your Wix Payments account can offer a seamless experience for both you and your customers, and it's the perfect solution for business owners who want to manage payments directly within their Wix site. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Wix site dashboard. From here, navigate to the Settings section. You'll want to look for the Accept Payments tab. This is the hub for managing how payments are handled on your site. Once you're there, it's time to connect your account to Wix Payments. You'll see the option to click Connect right next to Wix Payments. By doing this, you open up a world of possibilities for accepting payments directly through your site. Now that you've clicked Connect, you'll need to decide which payment methods you wish to accept. Wix Payments offers a variety of options, so it's important to think about what's most convenient for your customers. Enable the toggles of the payment methods you want to include, and then proceed by clicking Continue. At this point, you'll need to click Complete Setup. This is where the nitty-gritty details come into play. You'll be prompted to select your business type. This is an important step, so take a moment to consider which option best describes your operation. If you're running the show as an individual, perhaps as a freelancer or contractor, you'll want to select Individual or Sole Proprietorship. Here, you'll need to fill in your personal information along with a brief business description. Alternatively, if your setup is a bit more structured, maybe as a partnership, Ltd, corporation, or even an NGO, choose the second option. Provide both your business information and any necessary personal details. In some regions, there might be other business types available that align more closely with local business definitions, so be aware of those options if they apply to you. Next, you'll enter more detailed information. This includes your identification information, which is crucial for verification, as well as your address and bank details where the payments will be deposited. Be sure to accurately fill in your business information and provide a clear description of what your business entails. Once all these fields are completed, take a moment to review the terms and conditions and the associated service fees. Understanding these elements is crucial for your financial planning and ensuring compliance with Wix's requirements. After you've read and agreed to the terms, select the checkbox to accept them. Finally, click Submit. Your account is now ready to go, and you can start processing payments directly through your Wix site. It's that simple. Remember, having Wix Payments set up on your site can significantly enhance your customers' experience and streamline your business operations. Thanks for joining me today, and happy transacting!